Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this still combi unit come in because the RPM would not stay stationary. It would go up and down. 1 minute it'd be revving, next thing it'd be almost stalling. And the customer had a little screwdriver in his pocket so he could keep adjusting the tick over. And what I found out is this is what adjusts the tick over, and you can just wind it in and out. So I'll show you what the problem is, and let's see how I've decided to rectify it. Now I've taken the air filter off so you can see it better, and I've put a little light down here to illuminate it. And what it is, when you open the throttle up, that comes down, and what controls it is this and how far it's allowed to close. That is fully closed, the engine won't tick over, and it goes into this little screw here, this little hole here. Now I should not be able to, with my fingers holding the plastic end, wind it in. There's no way, as you can see it, that I should be able to turn that with my fingers. And whether it's a case of there's something wrong with the hole in there, or this thread is worn for some reason, where's the camera? Is worn for some reason, there's no grip. Now, yeah, you can say, well, why don't you put some Loctite on it? Well, that means when you go to adjust it next time, it's not going to work, because you'll break the Loctite on the end of here. So I'm going to zoom out a bit because it makes it easier. And I'm going to use a bit of PTFE tape. Don't need much, but I'll just bring it out and trim the ends off so it's a bit square. Now, when you wind PTFE on, you've got to remember which way you're turning it. So if I'm turning it this way, I need to have the PTFE tape wrapped around like that. And the reason for it is that if I was to wrap it the other way, when you went to wind it in, it would then undo that. So I just rip that off, give the end a bit of a clean up, get that bit off my nail, and then pull the throttle in so that's out of the way, and wind it in. And it's got to the point now I'm turning the outside and the inner part is not working, it's not turning. So I now need to put a screwdriver on it to wind it in. See, there's now a physical positive interaction. You can feel there's some effort to turn this instead of just doing it with my fingers. So the next thing to do is start it up and adjust the tick over. Okay, let's start it up and adjust that tick over. Right, now that's done, I'll ring the customer up and give them a shout back so it's ready. So there you are folks, that was a quick little short about if you've got a problem with the tick over and the screws loose, just possibly a bit of PTFE will sort the problem out. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, please hit the subscribe. It's totally free and it's much appreciated. So until the next video folks, take care and see you then. Bye.